Top headlines for the day.
King of box office Salman Khan has always been known for his record-breaking blockbuster films. His back-to-back blockbuster films always make him the king of box office. But now, he's become the top grosser star worldwide. Yes guys, he has another feather in his cap by being the only star in Bollywood who crossed 5,000 crore mark worldwide in his overall career. Most especially, he crossed 1,000 crores mark in just 1 year. Unbelievable, isn't it? Well, Salman Khan is the star of millions as his films are performing extremely brilliant at the box office. In the last 7 years, Bhai's each and every film has at least earned 100 crores. Wow, Bhai's on fire, must say. After all, he's the star of millions and king of box office. Don't you think he's the king of Bollywood? Salman Khan's tube-light with Kabir Khan and Chinese actor Zhu Zhu is quite a buzz over the beatdown, as we know that the film's second schedule is soon to start in Manali. But now, we've come across with some pictures from the shooting location, and must say, this looks beautiful and apt for tube-light. Well, pictures have got viral on the social networking sites, and one must agree that it looks like heaven. Tube-light's second schedule was supposed to start in Kashmir, but there were delays as there were security issues and the ongoing unrest in the state. But now, after seeing the shooting locations of Manali, we can surely say that it's indeed a beautiful place. Don't you think that Manali is a good option for tube-light? Did you like these locations? Let us know in the comments section below. Salman Khan's upcoming film Tube-light is creating a huge buzz amongst the masses for its every move. And now we got to know that the story of Tube-light has been written by Kabir Khan and Parvez Sheikh, the team behind Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Earlier, it was widely reported that writer Nilesh Mishra has written the film along with Kabir Khan. But the writer himself took to Twitter to clarify the doubt and reveal the writers of Tube-light. Tube-light deals with the character of Salman Khan, a slow learner, his brother Sohail Khan, and his relationship with the Chinese girl played by actress Zhu Zhu in the film. Well, Tube-light is slated to release on Eid 2017 and is being produced by Salman Khan Films. Well, we can't wait to watch Tube-light. Are you not excited? Good news, fans! Ranbir Kapoor, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Anushka Sharma and Fawad Khan's starrer and much-awaited film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil's teaser will be out on 30th of August. Yes guys, your wait is finally getting over. Dharma Production confirmed this news on Twitter by posting Ae Dil Hai Mushkil teaser out on 30th of August. Oh my, we can't wait to see the teaser. After all, the film has already created a huge curiosity for its unique storyline, where a young boy falls in love with an older woman. Also, the film is marking a comeback of director Karan Johar into direction after 4 long years. Well, this romantic saga will have a tadka of Preetham's melodious music and outstanding star cast. The film is all set to release on the auspicious occasion of Diwali on October 28th, along with Ajay Devgan's Shivai. We are damn excited for the teaser, aren't you not? Let us know in the comments section below. Oh my god, Salman Khan's little sister Arpita Khan Sharma's house was robbed and apparently cash and valuables worth Rs 3.25 lakhs was stolen. Isn't that shocking? Reports stated that police said the couple was not aware that their flat was robbed until they returned to their house on Sunday after their holiday trip. The police are currently looking for a maid named Afsa who was working at the apartment. They reported that she has been missing from 30th of July. The police also stated that the theft must have happened much before Sunday when the theft was noticed and so reported. A case has been registered under the Indian Penal Code section 381. While Arpita stays with her husband Ayush Sharma in their apartment in Pacific Heights in Bandra, and were busy celebrating Raksha Bandhan with Arpita's elder brother Salman and Sohail Khan a couple of days back. That's when the theft went unnoticed. Now, isn't that sad? What do you think? Do let us know. Bhaijaan's alleged girlfriend keeps everyone hooked to her Instagram account, sometimes by even dropping hints. But here's a very hotcake yet eye-catching photo of her with a beautiful caption which says, "The eyes have their own vocabulary. It's the language we should learn." This was clicked by an ace photographer, Avinash Govarkar. Looks like Lulia is spending her time in an appropriate manner. But going by the caption, one wonders, That is she talking about Bhai, who is the most misunderstood soul ever? In spite of spreading such happiness with his philanthropic work, yet Bhai attracts negativity. Don't you think he's always shown in the bad light? We too agree, Lulia. Moreover, we are plainly guessing since both are very much in love and Romanian beauty has been accepted by the Khandan. But Salu fans, do you agree with what Lulia had to say? Celebrity hairstylist Sapna Moti Bhavnani said some weirdest things about Salman Khan which could make his fans angry. She has been very vocal about her dislike for actor Salman, and now when she has decided to make a debut as a writer, she's choosing not to write about him. She said, "This man really misuses people and I don't have to give him importance, especially in my book." Also, the hairstylist once said, Salman dances like a monkey. Earlier too, when Salman's rape victim comment controversy was on top of every news, she tweeted that I really salute all, especially women who have the courage to speak up against Salman, irrespective of rape threats and the cuss words. Well, for her statements, she has already been abused by the Khan followers, but she never leaves any chance to counter him. What do you think about her statement? Do let us know in the comments section below. Here's an exclusive news for all of you. Bajrangi Bhaijaan Jodi Pawan Kumar Chaturvedi, Aka Salman Khan and Muni Aka Harshali Malhotra are coming back together. Yes guys, get ready. Salman and Harshali shot for an ad in Mumbai for a biscuit brand. Although the commercial focuses mostly on Salman and the little girl, according to a source, a parody of Selfie Lele forms the ad jingle here. When Harshali's mom Kajal Malhotra was asked for more details, she did confirm that such a shoot occurred and the ad will be out in 10 to 12 days. Well, it will be great to watch the two of them together as Harshali is very close to Salman since he dotes on her. Didn't they look cute together in Bajrangi Bhaijaan? And now we are soon to see them in a commercial. Are you not excited to see them together? We have seen Salman Khan's stardom through his success. His fans love him immensely. Whenever he faces trouble, fans always stood by his side. And now we came across with an amazing thing about Salman's fan following. We have something to show you. Guess what? Salman Khan Tea Shop. Yes guys, we found Salman Khan Tea Shop where one can see Bhaijaan's photo everywhere. One knows Bhai's fan following which is humongous. In fact, there's also a restaurant called Bhaijaan's which belongs to his fan. Now, isn't that amazing? After all, Bhai ke diwane sari jagah hai. Well, Salman is currently shooting for Kabir Khan's Tube Light along with Chinese actress Zuzu. Well, his fans are eagerly waiting to see Bhai again on the silver screen. Well, till then, you tell us, did you like the tea shop? Celebrity hairstylist and ex-Bigg Boss 6 contestant Sapna Bhavnani, who's known to be quite fearless and vocal about her thoughts, is currently grabbing a lot of attention for speaking against Sultan of Bollywood, and that too quite boldly. In an interview when asked about Bhaijaan, this is what she had to say. Actually, a lot of people told me I was warned that you shouldn't talk about him like that because you could get killed, and I was like, what? I had heard rumors, but I've been channelizing this no fear thing for the past 4 years, and I'm not going to let a monkey scare me. I have been through a gang rape and I know what it feels like. I'm a surviving member. There's nothing worse you can do to me, really. Now this is indeed difficult to gulp down. Do you really believe what Sapna has been talking about Salman? Do let us know. Here's exciting news for all of you. King Khan Shah Rukh Khan and Queen of Bollywood Kangana Ranaut might team up with Sanjay Leela Bhansali in his next project. Well, currently Bhansali is busy with his period drama Padmavati, but he plans to work with these amazing stars for his project. Oh my, if it's true, then it'll be wonderful to see King Khan and Queen together. Definitely a cracker combo, must say. Though it's not confirmed by any of them, but we are eager to see them on the silver screen. Well, SRK is right now busy in shooting for Imtiaz Ali's next The Ring, which also stars Anushka Sharma, whereas Kangna is busy shooting for Vishal Bharadwaj's Rangoon, which also stars Saif Ali Khan and Shahid Kapoor. Well, if all goes well, B-Town will have a new Jodi to look out for. Won't this Jodi be a huge hit? Here's an interesting scoop for you all. We all know that Ranbir Kapoor is going to play Sanjay Dutt in his upcoming biopic that will be directed by Rajkumar Hirani. But now, there's another piece of news that is making us more intrigued about the film. Well, according to sources, the makers of the film have approached none other than Aamir Khan to play Sanjay Dutt's father Sunil Dutt's role. Aamir is said to be impressed by the screenplay and even with the role that they have offered him, though he's yet to give his final nod. Well, as you know, Sanjay Dutt's father Sunil Dutt played an important role in his life, thus his part in the film would be equally important as the lead character. We hope that Aamir would soon give his final nod for the film. What do you think? Would he pull off the role of Sunil Dutt in the film? Let us know in the comments section below.